Express my deepest thanks to each and every one of you for being here and sharing in this moment. Dr. Mr. Raul C. Alvarez, thank you for your dedication and leadership. Dr. Rosilito Villaruz, appreciation for your visionary leadership at WebSU. Dr. Mary Josephine Bautista, gratitude for your role as WebSU LC Administrator. Dr. Cheryl Dawal, thank you for your contribution to academic affairs. Dr. Ramel F. Henner, appreciation for your guidance as OSA head. Dr. Maria Asuncion Christine V. Diquilia, thanks for your commitment to WebSU academic excellence. Mabel M. Satonero, appreciation for your work as ICT Director who worked tirelessly to make things happen. Your efforts do not go unnoticed and appreciate your hard work. Faculty and staff ICT, thank you for your hard work and dedication. Mr. Pedro B. Laruan, appreciation for your contributions as Office Secretary. For software, thanks for the collaborative efforts. Skyways Travel and Tours, gratitude for your service and support. Really humbled by the support and kindness that has been extended to me. And also thank you to my family for their encouragement and unending support. That's all. Thank you.